Welcome to the Tech Radar Pro. In this video, we're going to be talking about the newest AI tools that have made their way onto the LinkedIn platform. As an industry leader in the field of AI and a major investor in OpenAI, Microsoft's 15-year history of implementing AI into its platform is certainly something worth monitoring. Tamar Cohen, the Chief Product Officer of LinkedIn, believes that with their current advancements, AI can become a co-pilot or incredibly capable assistant. It's not surprising that these AI tools on LinkedIn are powered by OpenAI's GPT model. Let's take a look at some of the ways these AI tools are integrating into the site. Firstly, in the About and Headline sections, users can now auto-generate summaries for their profiles, adding a unique touch and making it easier to set up an effective social media profile. Hari Srinivasan, the Vice President of Product for LinkedIn, has also announced AI tools to help company HR and recruiters with the task of filling out job descriptions. These AI tools will be able to serve as a starting point for HR to personalize and be the foundation of their job description. In order to help the average user with understanding the current advancements in AI and machine learning, LinkedIn is providing over 100 free courses to its members between now and June 15th. These courses will cover a variety of topics such as security risks in AI and machine learning as well as foundations of responsible AI. So that wraps our coverage up on the newest AI technologies being implemented on the LinkedIn platform. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of the integration of AI into this popular networking tool, and provided you with some insight into the current advancements of AI. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, remember to sign up to the Tech Radar Pro newsletter for all the top news, opinion, feature, and guidance your business needs to succeed. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.